Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's question: determine the Fourier series expansion of the function f of x is equal to e power x in 0 to 2 pi. This is a interval, okay, and this is the f of x, okay. Now write first statement, okay. What is the first statement we have to write? The Fourier Fourier series Fourier series of f of x is equal to e power x in the interval. See, this is an interval. In the interval of 0 to 2 pi 0 to pi is given by now you have to write this general equation. What is the first? Write this question: f of x is equal to e power x, then write equal. Now write this function a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 upper side infinity an cos nx plus then summation n is equal to 1 infinity bn sin nx. Okay, this is a general equation. Now take it as equation. You have to every times you have to write this equation, okay, this equation. This equation in every problem you have to write this equation first. Then after what we will do, for now we have to find a naught, an and bn. Okay, after we substitute this in this equation. So first a naught formula, a naught is equal to what? A naught formula 1 by pi integrate 0 to here interval what is given 0 to 2 pi, means 0 to 2 pi f of x into dx. Okay, now what we will do, now substitute here f of what is f of x, is e power x. Now 1 by pi integrate 0 to 2 pi e power x into dx. Now integration formula, integrate e power x is equal to e power x only, okay. So it become 1 by pi e power x into 0 to 2 pi. Now apply the limit. How we apply the limit means fb minus fa, okay. fb minus fa, we don't need to write, but I'm writing to you so better you can understand. Okay, don't write in exam, okay. B is what? 2 pi minus what is a 0, okay. Now substitute here. So it become 1 by pi e power 2 pi then minus e power 0. Now always remember e power 0 is equal to 1 always, okay. So it become 1 by pi under bracket e power 2 pi minus 1, okay. Then our a naught value is a naught is equal, we need now send this by this side, it will come in denominator. So a naught is equal e power 2 pi minus 1 by pi, okay. We completed our first step, okay. We found a naught. After what we will do now, an we have to find the an value. So formula for an, so an is equal to 1 by pi integrate, now what interval gives 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi cos nx into f of x dx. Now just substitute, okay. 1 by pi integrate 0 to 2 pi then e power x into cos nx. Why I'm taking f of x first means as per islet, okay. As per islet we have to take e power x first then cos nx second, okay, as per islet, okay. After what we'll do, now we have formula here. Which formula I'm using here means here we have which formula is integrate e power ax into cos bx is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square under bracket a cos bx plus b sin bx, okay. This one I'm using here. So here nothing given, a we can take it 1, okay. So it become, now substitute this formula, so it become e power ax e power ax, no, e power x is nothing means 1, a power x by what is a1, so it become 1 square plus what is b is what, n, so it become n square. Then what is a 1 cos what is b is n, cos nx plus b, what is b, n. Okay, this is b, this is a, so n, b, n sine, then b again, n x. Okay, we completed our this step. Okay, afterwards what you will do, sorry, here 1 by pi outside there. Okay, I'm sorry, forgot to return it. Now it will come in square bracket. Okay, now what you will do, take the 1 plus 1 square means 1 only, so what you will do, 1 by pi, hmm, uh, 1 by pi 1 plus n square, plus n square under square bracket e power x into cos nx plus n sine nx. Okay, 0 to 2 pi. Okay, it becomes 0 to 2 pi. Then what you will do, now you have to apply the limits here. Okay, same here, fb minus f, I have to do fb minus fa. Okay, so what you will do, what is b, 2 pi, 2 pi minus fa is what, 0. Now substitute here, first supply 2 pi here instead of x, you have to apply this x, 2 pi here. Okay, first. Okay, so you got 1 by pi 1 plus n square, then open bracket e power 2 pi, then open bracket cos, and now x is what, 2 pi, 2 pi, then plus n sine n, and what is x, 2 pi, y, close the bracket, then minus this minus, now substitute e power 0 cos n into 0 plus, now substituting, we are substituting 0 here, so it become n sine n 0. Okay, so it be now under bracket, take it in bracket. Now what we will do, 1 by pi 1 plus n square, now what we will do, e power 2 pi. Now 2 pi, what in trigonometry pi is equal to 180, then 2 pi means become 360. Now cos 360 value is, cos 360 is equal to 1. Okay, always say 360 value is 1, cos 60, cos 360 value is equal to 1. Okay, now what do, now you will substitute here, it become e power 2 pi into 1 plus, now sin 360, same here, sin 360, sin 360 is equal to 0. Okay, 1 plus 0. Okay, this function will become 0. Now if you multiply n into 0, it becomes 0, then minus e power 0, what I told, e power 0 is equal to 1, e power minus 1 under bracket cos 0 value is 1, then plus 0. Okay, now here see this 1 plus 0 become 1, now this will get cancelled. Our a naught value is an value is equal to, now here e power 2 pi to get outside, e power 2 pi minus 1 by pi 1 plus n square. Okay, this is our an value. Okay, we completed our second step. Second, we found out an. Now after what we'll do, now we have to find the bn value is bn. What is bn, this bn we have to find out. Okay, I'm keeping aside this is the continuation of here. Now bn is what, bn is equal to 1 by pi integrate, limits is what, 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, then sine nx into f of x dx. Now substitute here, 1, now substitute 1 by pi integrate 0 to 2 pi sine nx into e power x dx. Now as per idea, we have to take e power x first, sin nx second. Okay, so it become 1 by pi integrate 0 to 2 pi e power x into sin nx. Okay, now we are using another formula here. Which formula I'm using here means, see, next formula, which formula is integrate e power x into sine e power ax into sine bx. It will become e power ax by a square plus b square. Now it become a sine bx then minus b cos bx. Okay, now substitute the values of here. Okay, instead of this you have to substitute here values. So our it become e power a is what, 1, nothing is there, so we become e power x by a, nothing is given, so we can consider 1. So 1 square plus what is b, b is n. Okay, b is b is n, so n square, then bracket a is what, 1 sine or nx, b is what, n, then minus of what is b next, n into n cos n x. Okay, here also 1 by pi outside, 1 by pi according to formula, 1 by pi outside here. Okay, 0 to 2 pi. After what you will do, here you will take 1 square plus n square outside, so it become 1 square is what, 1 each only, so it what it become, 1 by 1 by pi 1 plus n square, then open the bracket, e power x into sine nx minus n cos nx. Okay, 0 to 2 pi. Now we are applying the limits. Wow, which limit I'm applying? This 0 to 2. I'm writing for your better understanding, don't write your exam, fb minus fa. Okay, what is b is 0 to 2 pi. 2 pi minus what is a, 0, 0, so it become 1 by pi 1 plus n square, then e pi, instead of x you have to substitute 2 pi, so you got e power 2 pi sine n 2 pi 2 pi minus n cos n 2 pi, then here minus of this minus of, then e power 0, then sine n into 0, then this minus n cos n into 0. Close the right. Now when you apply the limit, don't write here 0 to 2 pi. After what you will do, it will become 1 by pi 1 plus n square. Now e power 2 pi, same here, sine 2 pi value, sine 2 pi means 180, 2 pi means 360. Sine 360 is value is sine 360 is equal to 0. So it become what, here it become 0. Okay, 0 minus, so here also cos 360 is equal to 1. Now this function will become 1, this till here. Now here n is there, so n into 1 will become n, 0 minus n minus e power 0 value, e power 0 is always 1. Okay, so it become minus, here minus outside we are being minus 1, then and where sine 0 value is 0, then minus cos 0 value is 1. Here all the same, this is 1, and if you here multiplying n, then it will become n, then close the bracket. Okay, then write 1 by pi 1 plus n square, then e power 2 pi, sorry, e power 2 pi not. Now 0 minus become nothing, so e power 2 pi, now multiply e power 2 pi into 0 is 0, e power 2 pi into minus become minus n e power 2 pi, then minus into minus become plus n. Okay, now take positive term first, then negative term. So our it become 1 by pi and 1 plus n square by the bracket n minus e power 2 pi, and sorry, n minus n e power 2 pi. Okay, 2 pi, then send this to in numerator, so our bn value, now we are coming with third step, bn value is what, n into n minus n into e power 2 pi by pi 1 plus n square. Now you can take common here also. Okay, so our bn is equal to, you can take n as common, n into 1 minus e power 2 pi. Okay, if you multiply you get the same e power 2 pi by pi 1 plus n square. Okay, so we found our bn value. Okay, now you understand. Now write another statement. Which statement I'm writing? Substitute 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 a naught, an and bn in equation 1. Okay, equation 1. What is equation 1? Now see, this is equation 1. Here you have to substitute. Okay, so equation 1 is what? See, this is equation 1. Okay, just substituting here. So what is our equation 1 is, f of x is equal to e power x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 infinity an cos nx plus summation of n is equal to 1 infinity bn sin nx. Okay, now simply substitute the values of a naught, an and bn here. So we get the value. So it become a naught is what? A naught. We found out a naught value e power 2 pi minus 1. A naught is e power 2 pi minus 1 by, now here 2 there and here pi there. It will become, here 2 is there and here pi is there. So it become 2 pi plus summation of n is equal to 1 infinity. What is an value? E power 2 pi minus 1 by pi 1 plus n square. So it become e power 2 pi minus 1 by pi 1 plus n square under bracket, then plus summation of n is equal to 1 infinity. What is bn? Now we just found out, n into 1 minus e power 2 pi by pi into 1 plus n square. Now you can simply, you can see here, we can take e power 2 pi minus 1 by pi common. Here see, e power 2 pi minus e power 2 pi minus 1. Here you can take minus e power 2 pi. Okay, so our value is e power 2 pi minus 1 by pi, open the bracket, 1 by 2. If you multiply you get this value, then plus summation of n is equal to 1 infinity, then here 1 by 1 plus n square, then plus, then here you will take minus. Why I'm taking minus? If you send to this side, e power minus e power 2 pi minus 1, so minus summation of n is equal to 1 infinity, infinity n by 1 plus n square. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, see this solution first. This is the first step. We just first found out the, take the first general solution. Afterward, this is a general form to solve this question. In every question you have to by head this general form or equation, general equation. Then you have to find a naught, an and bn. Now we just found out a naught, an, afterwards bn, then substituting the a naught, an and bn in equation 1. Simply we are just substituting. Okay, this is our answer. Thanks for watching.